Hey guys, Mr. Walker here. Here. Um, Today, you're going to be doing an activity that requires the use of a triple beam balance. And I know it's probably been quite a while since you've used one of these things. Um, so I'd like to give you a quick refresher on how to use the balance to measure the mass of an object. Usually, I would call you all up and we'd all huddle around the same table, and I do this that way. But it's COVID times, and we can't really, doing that's probably not the greatest idea. So, as I said, this is a triple beam balance. This is a tool that you use to measure the mass of an object, and the mass is just a measure of how much matter is in an object or how much stuff there is that make it up. It is called a triple beam balance because there are one, two, three beams. And your goal is to make this balance out at zero. Okay. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that with nothing on the tray, that the line is at zero. Okay. Because that's how you calibrate it. Obviously, nothing's on here. Nothing weighs nothing. So this should all balance out at zero for 0 grams because we have no mass on there. All right. If it's not, there's a little knob over here under the tray that you can twist and turn. Just a little bit at a time. That made things worse. Turn it this way. No, that's a little above the zero, so I'm going to twist it back. And now it is pretty much at the zero. So you take whatever it is you're interested in getting the mass of. I'm going to pretend that I care about the mass of the stapler. You put it on the tray. Suddenly this isn't balanced anymore. So we need to move these weights here in order to make this whole system balance. So you start with the largest one, which is the one in the middle. You're going to slide it over. You're going to notice these little notches in here. So you're going to slide it over until it drops into the first notch. Nothing happened. You're going to slide it over until it drops in the second notch. Nothing happened. Go to the third. Oh, something happened. It dropped down. This is below the zero line, which means that this is now too heavy. So we're going to back this up to the one before it dropped. Okay. Then we're going to do the second one, or the second largest one. And same thing. We're going to go notch by notch until we see that something happens. I was hoping it would have been right there. Oh, look at that. So that drops it down to below the zero. So we're going to back it up to the one right before it. And then we're going to slide this one over and over and over and over until we get that line lined up with the zero. And I think that is going to do it. So there, now that stapler is in balance with these weights here. So now in order to find out what the mass of the stapler is, you look at the numbers where the 3 weights are and you add them up. So this one here, I don't know if you can see. There we go. So the middle one is at 200. The back one is at 70. And this small one is at, it looks like 9.4. I'm kind of reading it backwards. So add them up. 200 plus 70. It's 270. 270 plus 9.4 is 279.4. So this stapler, the mass of the stapler is 279.4 grams. Hope that helped if you're doing this activity that you're going to be doing in a little bit and it doesn't make any sense and you need help. Let me know so I can help you out.